Today's episode, we're using one of these. So I wore my plaid shirt so I can fit in with all these household names. You know, Tim Allen, Bob Vila, Sears Craftsman. That's not a person. So I'm at this property and we're missing one of the boards from the window. All right, so the screws are out and now the challenge is these guys put sheetrock. There's nothing to hold it. There's no sort of washer that keeps it in place. So the wind probably was what kicked it out. They didn't close the window and the wind kicked it out. I mean, if somebody was in here, I think they would have caused some damage. I think they would have tried to make this place home. I've got to get something stronger, a piece of wood. You don't always have what you need right on site, so you've got to think out of the box. Think of these guys: Macgyver, Bear Grylls, National Geographic. No, wait, that's not a person. So normally I can find myself some sort of door, some piece of wood, and I can't. There is nothing I can use here. I did see a closet right over here. Good wood. So they had this piece of sheetrock like this. So you can see screws are blown right through. Now I'm gonna see if this stays. And then we add on this piece right here. So if someone does want to get through, they're gonna have to obviously break the window, break the sheetrock, but they're not gonna be knowing that there's a piece of wood behind it. So they're gonna find this to be one very strong piece of sheetrock. All right, so this is more or less the way I'm gonna put it. And I'm just gonna stick in one screw so this doesn't fall on my head. All right, that's just to hold it for now. And what I wanna do is measure up this piece of wood right there. This is where the strength is, and obviously this is the point of entry that's most vulnerable because it's almost at head level from the street. Sometimes you gotta angle it so it reaches the side there. I'm sure Bob Vila will be proud. All right, and that's how you do it. See, now you've got this strong piece of wood here that's gonna hold it back, and it's also gonna be supporting of it just in case wind blows like it did today, it doesn't get blown out. But wait, there's more. I find another thing to fix. If you see here, you got a major gap. Okay, you get one agent who comes by, he doesn't fully engage the deadbolt, and all you have is this. Well, guess what? You can slide practically your hand through there and pop it open. I don't like that. So let me see if I find another piece of wood that I can place right here to deter that. I can't really find much around the house, but I know that molding works just fine. What I'm mentioning before is this. See here, it creates a sort of blocking so you can't get to the latch, and it still has this curve. So this groove side here allows for people to still have room to turn the handle. What I like to do is I like to put the screw right where the lock is, because then you can't put a screwdriver to unscrew it because the lock's in the way. Check it out, check it out. So thanks for tuning into this episode and seeing more of my agent life. I'll be sure to bring you more opportunities and adventures, so be sure to subscribe. I'll be seeing you back in the neighborhood.